If you're a coach struggling to make sales over the phone, in today's session, this is going to be a game changer for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Every day I drop videos to help you grow your business.
Do it!
Now, one of the main reasons that people do not make sales on consultation sales is they're trying to do too much coaching. Pay attention, this is going to change your life. Coaches think they have to coach someone on a sales call for them to prove that they can get that person a result. This is the worst thing to do, because if you coach someone on a sales call, they're going to think that their problem can be resolved in 45 minutes. And the truth is, no problem can be resolved in a 45-minute session. It's just not possible. The only thing they can get from a 45-minute session is detailed information about what the problem is, why they have the problem, and what to do to get rid of the problem. Now, they are very important elements to the problem, because if you don't understand why the problem was there in the first place, then you don't understand what it is that you're doing to create the problem. If you don't understand what you need to do, as in what's the correct way, what's the fastest method, what's the best way to get rid of the problem, then you won't understand the path. The third element is to show them how to get rid of the problem. That is in your program. That is what they're paying for. And so you got to focus on 3 levels of value. So the first level of value is number 1, understanding their problem. Your client fully understands their problem, so they are left with a choice with either choosing you to help them to do it, or they do it on their own. That is real value. The second level of value is to help your client to see that there's a method or path which is the quickest way to get the outcome. Example, if you want to learn the piano, you could learn a traditional way, learning all the notes, or you could learn the Suzuki method, which is learning the pattern between the keys. Both paths work. Depending on the individual, one path is quicker than the other. Make sense? The third level of value is how to get rid of the problem. This is in your program with your support, because how to get rid of any problem is going to take minimum 3 months. It takes on average 66 to 90 days to build habits. Therefore, it's going to take time for them to get it's going to take time to get the solution to the problem, and only with support are they actually going to do it. Just a heads up, if you want a free consultation session with one of my team, click the link below and you can get a free Grow Your Coaching Business plan so that you know exactly what to do in the next 30 days, completely free of charge. If you don't want that, watch this next video on how to grow your coaching business. I'll see you soon.